What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's been safe out there. So today's video is another construction video. I'm installing some stack stone on this fireplace here. So I have some work done already on it. I'm gonna show you guys here in a minute. Alright. So this fireplace here, it had a halfway tile going from this line here, going down, and this was sheetrock. So remove all the sheetrock, put the cement board in, and then this is the original fireplace still there. And then granite company came and installed this piece of flooring granite here on the base. As you can see, flooring and then the granite, right? And then going all the way around the fireplace also, like this, right? This is one piece here, no joints, right? So I'm gonna install the stone going up all the way till up to that edge right there. Corners, I'm gonna be using this metal edging here. Put it like this. Show you guys. So this is the side here. This is gonna go like this to finish the stone, because this is the stone right here, almost same color like the granite over there, right? So the stone is called Fantasy Brown. It's from Rockridge Company, right? So as you can see here, Rockridge Ledger Stone, and it's called Fantasy Brown, right? So that's the company right there. So this is what the stone looks like, right? This is the stone right here. So it's gonna go stacked up like this, right? It's gonna look nice. It's gonna match the granite, right? So that's the project today. So first thing I'm gonna do is install my put my laser, install my edging, and then start from two sides, this side going all the way up. And then I have to install a TV mount right here, because that TV gonna go over here, right? So let's get started with the project. Alright, so this is what I'm using to cut the stones, right? So I have my wet saw over here, Chicago Electric wet saw on a rail, right? And I'm using white VersaBond thin set, alright? And then in case I need to make any smaller cuts, I have my grinder. Alright, so I'm gonna go mix up some thin set and then start installing the stone. Alright, so the fireplace stone is complete. Set it up nicely here. Right. Put two shelves in here. So the granite, everything is nice. Now time to install the TV mount. Gonna go right in the middle there. So this is the TV mount here, right? It's a big TV, 75-inch. Gonna install this on this spot right there, and then install the TV on it. So let's get started with that. Alright, so I have the bolts here. 4 bolts. I'm gonna drill and then anchor these in to the TV mount like this. So let's go get some drill. Alright, so I have the drill. I'm gonna drill first. Then I have the socket wrench that I'm gonna use to drive in the bolts, alright? Alright, so we just got a mount installed here now. I'm gonna show you here. So the 4 bolts installed there. This is how much you're gonna come out if you need the TV to come out. Right. So next step, you have to install these onto the TV, and then this is gonna go like this. You can put the TV on right there. Alright. That's the next step. Let's do that. Alright, so this part gonna go like this with the same screws and everything. One here, one there. And this is the TV, 75-inch. And then the TV gonna go up there. Right? So time to install this. Alright, so the fireplace is complete, the TV is installed there now. I'm gonna give you guys a look here how the finished product look. So that's the TV on there, TV working. This is the other side here. And that's the 2 shelves we put in there. So everything came out nice. Alright guys, so that's fireplace installation. We did the stone, the metal edging, and we had somebody do the granite. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.